Now we'll explore two of the most revolutionary concepts in mathematical history: zero and infinity. But these aren't just mathematical abstractions, they represent profound insights into the nature of existence itself. Right? Just digest that, think about it, and you will realize the importance of this. The Bhagavatam introduces revolutionary concepts of zero, and I've repeated again, shunya, and infinity, which is ananta, that form the foundation for advanced mathematical thinking. But these go far deeper than simple notation. Zero or shunya represents both emptiness and a placeholder. It's not just the absence of something, it's the foundation from which all numbers emerge. Infinity, or in Sanskrit, ananta, means boundless and immeasurable, right? Infinity, representing the unlimited nature of existence itself. Look at these symbols, right? The zero and infinity in Sanskrit, and then look at the symbol zero and infinity in modern notation, right? Difference? No. The concepts are identical, right? Even the symbols, the concepts. But the ancient understanding was more profound than what we know today. The Bhagavatam describes concepts of multiple infinities in cosmic descriptions, different levels of boundless existence that anticipate modern mathematical understanding by thousands of uh, years. The Supreme Lord is unlimited, irrespective of what religion, Lord, right? The material manifestations measure is limited. Again, Supreme Lord is unlimited, infinity. The material manifestation measure, zero, is limited. Beyond this, limited world is the unlimited spiritual sky, right? This is the fundamental from a Bhagavatam concept. This isn't just philosophy, this is mathematical insight into the nature of infinity and infinite quantities. Modern mathematics has developed sophisticated theories of zero and infinity that build upon the foundation concepts found in ancient Vedic texts. We have zero as the foundation of our place value system, exactly as described in the ancient text. We have Cantor's transfinite numbers and set theory showing different orders of infinity, right? Countable versus uncountable. Let's look at this modern quote. The concept of different sizes of infinity, formalized by George Cantor, revolutionized mathematics and set theory, showing that some infinities are larger than others. But George Cantor's work in the 19th century was rediscovering insights that were embedded in ancient Vedic understanding thousands of years earlier. So the correspondence is remarkable. Zero, ancient shunya, or void, as both emptiness and placeholder, compared to modern additive identity and placeholder in decimal system. Infinity, ancient ananta, endless, as boundless spiritual reality, equals modern transfinite numbers and different orders of infinity. Without these ancient concepts, we would have no modern mathematics, no calculus, no computer science, no quantum mechanics, no artificial intelligence. Every advanced mathematical operation depends on these foundational insights preserved in ancient Vedic wisdom. Let's move on. Now we encounter one of the most fascinating figures in mathematical history. Who's that? Srinivasa Ramanujan, the man who serves as a living bridge between ancient wisdom and modern mathematical discoveries. Srinivasa Ramanujan from 1887 to 1920 stands as perhaps the most remarkable example of how ancient Vedic wisdom continues to inspire revolutionary mathematical insights. But Ramanujan's story is extraordinary not just for what he discovered, but for how he discovered it. So let's look at the Vedic inspiration which he got. Ramanujan attributed his mathematical insights to the goddess Namagiri, connecting Vedic traditions with his revolutionary discoveries. He studied ancient Vedic mathematical texts and claimed divine inspiration from goddess Namagiri, form of Lakshmi, the goddess of knowledge and prosperity. His approach was fundamentally different from Western analytical methods. He used intuitive methods similar to those described in Bhagavatam, understanding mathematics not just as a calculation, but as insight into the cosmic order itself. Look at these extraordinary discoveries, the famous equations, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus, right, equal to minus 1 by 12. This seems impossible by conventional mathematics, but Ramanujan's summation, based on Vedic concepts of infinity, reveals deep truths about the nature of mathematical revelation, right? So his formula for pi, as shown here, right? This formula is accurate to the 8th decimal places per term. Extraordinary precision that emerge from intuitive insights rather than formal mathematical training. Right? And Ramanujan, his own quote, an equation for me has no meaning unless it expresses a thought of God. Again, irrespective of religion. This is the Vedic approach to mathematics, seeing mathematical truth as connected to spiritual understanding, exactly as described in ancient texts. Ramanujan's work revolutionized mathematics, influenced fields from number theory to physics and computer science. He discovered over 3,900 mathematical identities. His formulas are now used in string theory and black hole physics. The Ramanujan-Hardy number theory revolutionized modern mathematics. One of the scientific American mindset, his ideas, referring to Ramanujan, has been applied to critical problems in computer science and physics. Right. Look at the timeline. The progression is clear. Ancient Vedic text, moving to Ramanujan, 1887 to 1920, to modern applications, to, it doesn't end, future discoveries. Ramanujan demonstrates that the Vedic approach to mathematical understanding, emphasizing intuition, pattern recognition, and spiritual insights, continues to produce revolutionary discoveries that formal mathematical training alone cannot achieve. The Ramanujan phenomena shows us that ancient wisdom isn't just historical curiosity. It's a living tradition that continues to unlock the deepest secrets of mathematical reality. It's exactly what I've been saying. Ancient wisdom is the second type of wisdom comes from scriptures, the ancient wisdom. It's very critical because time and again, ancient wisdom has been used for modern discoveries. Okay.